Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wash and go featuring PrettiPhizziez and GeminiNaturals. Starting off on freshly washed hair, and I am sectioning off my hair for styling. I'm going to be starting off with PrettiPhizziez new Apricot and Macadamia Hair Smoothie Leave-In Conditioner. You guys, this leave-in conditioner is so bomb. It smells amazing, has great slip, gives your curls definition. I mean, like, this can literally be used as a one and done product. So I'm brushing the leave-in conditioner in just to make sure it's evenly distributed. Went ahead and applied the leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair. I want to make sure that my hair is moisturized since the styler of choice that I'm using today is going to be a gel. I am using PrettiPhizziez Pineapple Glaze gel. The directions for this gel says to apply to wet hair, smooth from root to tip, for shine and lustrous curls. And a little bit of more water, because with the gel you definitely want to make sure that your hair is wet because it makes it easier to distribute the product. So I went ahead and put the gel out throughout my hair using the raking method. So now I'm going to the shorter parts on the sides and in the back to define those curls there, which didn't take much. Going in with a little bit of the PrettiPhizziez oil to seal in the moisture and make sure there's some shine to my hair. And now I am going to be using another one of GeminiNaturals temporary vegan hair colors. This time I am using the sunset color. So I'm applying it in the shower this time. And I am using the raking method as well as the praying hands method. And I'm just going to distribute this product throughout my strands using the same method throughout my entire head. I am loving this color already. Definitely blends well and went over my blonde color. So now my wash and go is complete. Color has been added. Do you see these amazing wet curl results? Like, I am so excited to see what these curls look like dry. Definitely loving this vegan hair color. The new hair smoothie from PrettiPhizziez and the pineapple gel combined just made it all amazing. And the results are in. This is definitely my color. I am loving it. As you can see, I had to do a little dance. Curls popping, color popping. Yes. So excited. Definitely loving this combination with PrettiPhizziez and GeminiNaturals. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.